Can you help me identify this tree? The fruit is dark red, turning purple, and the flesh looks like a plum. It has the aroma of a plum. I think it is a damson plum, but after getting enough courage to try it, it didn't taste like a traditional plum. He had courage. How about that?
Yeah.
The fruit doesn't get much larger than a quarter. Is this a damson plum?
I'd say no.
This is the photo of the fruit as it's falling to the ground and the seed.
Yeah, but
this is from down at Holly Springs, Mississippi. Dr. Kelly.
I don't know. I could not tell. The picture was not where I could see well enough to identify it. I really couldn't, and I'd be afraid to say.
Yeah.
And until she could absolutely get a good ID on it, I don't think I'd be eating the fruit.
Yeah.
Just to be sure, because when I saw the trunk and I saw the bark and I saw the leaves, I thought, that doesn't look like a plum.
Didn't look like a plum tree to me. Not the,
and I'm thinking, well, it doesn't even look like a crab apple. I thought, well, maybe she thinks it's a crab apple. So I don't know. I would just, if she could take a ripe fruit on the tree and take a picture with something in it for scale, you know, like we always say, we need something in the picture like a quarter or yardstick, so we know how big the leaves are, you know, and what the leaf arrangement is, and then I think we could do better as far as trying to ID it.
Because the first thing I did was look at the tree in the trunk.
Yeah, could you tell what it
looked like a plum tree to me.
The trunk really doesn't look very good.
No, it looked like it was kind of bunged up. Yeah.
Which, if it's a plum, it could be peach tree borer.
And I wondered if it was in her garden as something she planted, or was it out in a thicket somewhere?
It kind of looked like it was out in a
That's what it, it looked like that to me too. So it's like a wild thing. I don't know.
Yeah, the fact that they had the courage to try it though, I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe some kind of rootstock.
Maybe.
Don't know. I'd just say
because there was a picture of the leaf and the leaf looked.
It didn't look
diseased, but it didn't. Okay.
I couldn't tell.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.